Alright guys, so this is one of the last looks you guys are going to see of the M340 with the stock wheels. One is installed already. Shit. Bro, you guys have no idea how hyped I am right now. I did want to give you guys a little walk around and a good look at how the M340i is sitting now. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If you guys don't already know, these are the TE37s for the M340i. I'm pretty stressed out right now. Today is going to be a stressful little video. We're going to install these things on the wheel. As you guys know, once you put them on, you put them on. You can't take them off and reinstall them. So let's go ahead and do this. All you need is a sticker. I went ahead and bought a brand new microfiber just to make sure it's clean, and some 91%, however you say that, alcohol. So we're going to start off by cleaning the spoke. So actually, in case there's anybody wondering, I guess the way you install them is you look at the valve stem and you count 2 spokes over, and that's the spoke that the sticker goes on. Alright guys, I'm kind of going to wing it. I'm going to add a little bit of alcohol right here and just pretty much wipe down this spoke. Nice. Very, very nice. That's exactly what I wanted to happen. That was part of the plan. First, you got to scratch your wheel. Alright, as much as I would like to make this a tutorial type of video, I'm gonna low-key lock in and I'll just show you guys the finished product. I'm not gonna lie, I got a little ahead of myself. There is a little wrinkle. I don't know if you guys could tell. I hope you guys can't. But, man, I don't care. If it really bothers me, I guess I'll just order another one. This one definitely came out better. There's no air bubbles at all. It was a little too high, but at this point, if I'm not using like measurement tools, bro, that's about as best as you're gonna get. This is actually my first time opening this box. You guys are gonna unbox it with me, and I'm using the M340i. Imagine, bro, you open this like some Barstool ones or something, some RPS ones. Oh yeah! Imagine they were like white or something. Yes, sir. The RT is alright. Alright, guys, this was definitely my best one yet. Boom! It comes off. Oh yeah. Vogue Racing, are you guys hiring? I could be your sticker guy. And it's also TE to go. Alright, last one, dude. So far, the 2 fronts have been great. The other rear was not so great. And it's actually bugging me, but whatever. Let's go ahead and get this one done. I think this last one was actually the best one out of all of them. Something this has taught me: patience is key, brother. The first one I did that shit super fast, and there was a little wrinkle on it. I'll probably end up buying another one and swapping it out eventually, but as of right now, it's alright. And now they're all put away and ready to be installed.
The next day.
It is way too early for this. What am I doing in the BMW at 8 in the morning? What could I possibly be doing? We are not putting on the wheels at this moment, but we are going back to BMW. Before you guys say anything, don't worry. The car is perfectly fine. Thank God. Thank God the car is perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine. But there is something wrong with the car. Not really wrong, it's like the smallest thing. I was not going to take it over this, but I'd rather have them look over it and fix it than me try to fix it and possibly break something. I don't know if you guys can tell from this angle, but the dashboard, pretty sure it's probably just the vent, was not put on correctly. Right now when I get off the car, I'll try to show you guys better. It was not put on correctly, and now I can't move the vent. You know how like you could, like the little knob right here, look. The little knob right here, you can control it to have the vent open or close. Yeah, right now I can't control it at all. It's open, which is fine, but obviously if one day I want to close it for whatever reason, I can't close it. And I would have fixed it myself. I would have tried to fix it, just pop it off. I'm sure you just pop it off and put it back in place, but I started thinking, I don't know how to do it, right? Which is fine. I mean, you can learn as you go. But if I pop it off and I break a tab, I'm going to be extremely pissed, especially since it's something that was not my fault or that I didn't cause. It's hard to break a tab and I have to fix it now out of pocket or whatever. Like, I'm going to be heated. So I was like, dude, whatever, I'll just take it back. It should be like a few hour thing. I mean, in theory, it should be like a 5-minute thing, but I know that they can't, BMW just can't drop everything just to fix my little vent. So they'll probably have the car for the day and I'll be in another loaner. Yeah, so that's what we're doing today, or right now. Let me show you guys what's wrong with it. See if you guys can see that. Yeah, not supposed to be like that. Another news, we got another M340 right here. And a JD. Sick ass. Alright guys, this time we're in the X3. I actually requested this one, looks pretty cool. Prefer the previous model X3s, but I don't know. At this point, I'm just experiencing all new BMWs for the free ski. Honestly, I fell in love with the X5 last time I had it as a loaner. But honestly, this is not a bad like second option. I actually, funny enough, I used to hate like this updated version of the X3, this new like look of it, because I really like the old one. But it's kind of growing on me. I kind of like it. Into the spot just so I can see it, check it out. I'll show you guys a little bit. At this point, I'm gonna become a BMW car reviewer. Pretty nice though, honestly. Maybe I'm becoming a nunk, but I'm starting to like these SUVs. X330, so B48. Very nice. Alright, that's enough. Let's go home. I'm tired. Alright guys, it is now a few hours from the last clip you guys just saw. Funny enough, once I got home, literally I had walked in the door probably like a minute before that. I got a text saying the car was ready. I wanted to stay. Preferably, I didn't want this freaking loaner. I just wanted to stay, get it done, and go home. But I don't know if they thought like the tech wasn't gonna get to it right away. I don't know. But obviously he did. The car's been ready since like 9 in the morning. It's currently 1. Since I was home, I was like, I'm gonna just take a nap. I hadn't really slept, so took a little nap, and we're back on the road. We're about to pull up right here to the dealership, and there's another loaner right here. Look, what's up, bro? Sick ass. Anyway, yeah, we're about to pick up the car, and we might just throw on the wheels right now, like literally right now. I'm gonna just pick it up, go home, pick up the wheels, and we should be slapping them on. Yeah, back in action. You thought I was capping, huh? No, sir. We're finally doing this after like 2 months of owning these wheels. We're finally about to go install them. Okay, sorry. Did that hurt? Oh yeah. And then the other one is on this way. Yeah, let's go ahead and hit this tire shop and install these wheels fine. You guys, I'm driving like an old lady right now. This is my chest. This is the steering wheel. Let me see if I could somehow record this. Can you guys tell? I don't know if you can, but bro, I am driving like an old lady right now. I'm about to drive with the windows down so people can know I'm not one of those people that be driving hella close for no reason. It's because I got wheels in here, man. All right, I was kind of laughing about it at first, but now I'm actually very uncomfortable. I don't know if you guys could tell how close I actually am. Just imagine you're driving next to a nice M340, you're about to pull up, hey, nice car, and you see this goofball behind the wheel so close to the wheel. All right, guys, so this is one of the last looks you guys are gonna see of the M340 with the stock wheels. It's been a long time coming. I've had these wheels for like 2 months, and I just been hitting roadblock after roadblock. You guys already know. If it was up to me, I would have installed them the next day, but yeah, you guys already know the story behind all that. But yeah, better late than never. Today we are going to be throwing on the T's on the M340i. The build is officially going to begin now. I can finally showcase to you guys my vision that I have with this car since the moment I bought it. Yeah, bro, it's time to install the wheel. One is installed already. Shit. Bro, you guys have no idea how hyped I am right now. One wheel's on. One wheel's on. It hasn't dropped yet, obviously, but damn, bro, that's crazy. The rear's getting put on right now. Bro, this looks fucking sick. Rears are on. That's crazy, bro. You guys have no idea how long I've been waiting for this moment. I don't even know what to say. Damn, bro, this thing looks so sick. Everything flows perfectly. The calipers, the stickers, the blue goes so good with the paint. Crazy, bro. So that side's done. Waiting on this side to be done, and we're all good to go. Look at the size of these calipers, bro. If you guys are in the market for M340, get that ZTK package. Huge, bro. I mean, I have kind of small hands, but bro, this thing is huge. W Pops, he came to pick up my stock wheels. Finishing up on the last one. Be ready to go home.
Car's all done, guys. The rear could use a little bit of help, but the spring's not too bad. It might settle a little bit, I'm not too sure, but the front is perfect. Crazy, bro. It's a different car. All it needs is a lift kit now. And I also have these black, like a black tin reflectors at home. I'll probably install them later or the next video. Yeah, guys. That's how the M340i is looking. These crazy. See how good these tires are. Oh damn, I'm lighting them up. What the f?
A few moments later.
Can't make this shit up, bro. So I made an illegal U-turn over a double yellow line like an idiot. Didn't see the cop was a few cars behind me. Obviously he pulled me over, but he let me go. Pretty cool cop. Damn, bro, ain't that a Alright guys, we left the shop. Before I went home, put this car away, I did want to give you guys a little walk around and then good luck at how the M340i is sitting now. Now that the sun is hitting it, you can really see that mag blue just hitting. Need some tire shine. Tires are a little ashy, but it's all good. Boy, was this worth the wait, guys. Wow. It's crazy how much of a huge difference wheels can make on a car. All it needs now is a nice little aero kit. And that's pretty much it. Maybe like some better tint, darker tint, and that's it. Oh, and obviously performance-wise, a little tune. A little downpipe tune. But dang, guys, this angle right here is actually crazy. Damn. Let's go ahead. I want to park it maybe a little bit more. Nah, it's actually right. You could use a little bit more low, like I said, in the rear. But for springs, it's not too bad, honestly. Eventually, I'll probably upgrade to some coilover. Just that I have the adaptive suspension, so I'm going to get a code for that. But no big deal. You just code it out, I guess. But yeah. This is how she's sitting, guys. I am absolutely in love with this car. Shout out once again to my guys over at Yaki's Performance for not only supplying the tires, but also installing these wheels for me. Thank you guys so much. If you guys are interested, any tires, pretty much any performance upgrades, hit up my guys over at Yaki's Performance. They are located here in the city of Rialto. They're super local to me. They do it all, dude. They do BMWs, they do trucks, they do it all, bro. Everything from tires to performance to everything. If you guys need any of those services, hit them up, let them know I sent you, and they'll get you right, guys. They had me in and out, install the tires on the wheels. But guys, this looks amazing, just how I imagined it, even better. Now that I'm seeing it though, I'm kind of debating on just buying center caps. I kind of like the no center cap look, but at the same time they're kind of ugly. I'm gonna look up. I'm sure they have to sell mag blue center caps. I'm gonna look for some, and if they do, I'll probably buy them because it looks good, but at the same time it looks a little, I don't know, like it's missing something. But yeah, guys, this is how the M340i is looking. Just needs an aero kit now, and it'll be pretty much complete for now, looks wise at least. It's ready for some car meets now though. Flip the car real quick so you guys can see it on this side as well. Just how I imagined it, guys. And we still ain't done. Literally barely starting. Barely starting. You guys have any shops you guys recommend for some carbon fiber? Drop them down in the comments below. Or if any companies want to work, let me know. I'm in search for a full lift kit for this thing next, so yeah. Alright, let's go home because I've been out and about since 7 in the morning, 8 in the morning, and I have not ate one piece of food. Besides like a little piece of cheesecake I randomly found in my fridge. And it is 5:56 p.m. and I'm starving, bro. My head hurts. I haven't even slept. Let's go home. Damn, bro. It lights these tires up. I'm not sure how well you guys can see that, but dude, I'm in love with this car.